Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase with Apple Pay. First, open the Coinbase app on your mobile device. Make sure your account is fully verified and linked to a payment method, even though we'll be using Apple Pay for the transaction. Also, confirm that Apple Pay is correctly configured on your iPhone or iPad with a valid debit card. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick purchase process. Once you're ready, tap the blue Buy button located at the bottom of your Coinbase app screen. From the list of available cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin. Next, you'll need to input the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can enter a specific dollar amount, for example, $50, or a precise quantity of Bitcoin, like 0.001 Bitcoin. Review your selection carefully before proceeding to the next step. After entering your desired amount, proceed to the payment method selection. Here, you will see the option for Apple Pay. Select it to link your purchase to your Apple Wallet. A summary of your transaction, including any fees, will appear. Carefully review these details. Finally, authenticate the purchase using your device's security features, such as Face ID or Touch ID, to complete the transaction securely and efficiently. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased Bitcoin using Apple Pay on Coinbase. You'll receive an immediate confirmation of your transaction, and your new Bitcoin balance will be updated in your portfolio within moments. It's a straightforward and secure way to invest in cryptocurrency. Remember to always keep your account secure. Also, check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.